So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel to Miss Dimple, and today's video is going to be on a haul video where last time I had gone to Bombay and I have not used any product till now. So um so I was thinking why I need to do a haul video. So before any further ado, let's get into the video. So let's go. So guys, basically in this haul video, I am having Nykaa, Sephora and Tira. So yes, and even Bath and Body Works, because when I had gone over there, I'm like, perfumes offers was like, oh my god, it was very, I don't know what to say, but okay. Now before further ado, let's get into the haul. So the first haul I am going to show y'all. So my first is Nykaa, of course. So in Nykaa I had purchased two, it came in two boxes. Purchased I had four things, but it came on separate delivery. So one came on 24th, one came on 25th something. So now and first thing, these are very travel sizes for me because I love travel sizes bottles. So let's open it. I like it. Anyways, so yeah, the first product I have got is Laneige. So this is Laneige Cream Skin Toner and Moisturizer, and I have a bigger bottle, so I like it because I used it. So this is very cute chotu bottle, mini bottle. I think it's 50 ml. Now it's very great, it's very nice. It has toner also, it has moisturizer also, so it's very great. Now Laneige has also given me the free product. Now that free product is without anything, that one product has to be for, and like one product गिरना ही चाहिए. It's like that. Okay, back to haul. So this is a gift what Laneige have sent me. This is Laneige Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cleansing Foam Face Wash, and I think I have used it. No, I have not used it. So this is going to be my first time I'm going to use this Laneige. I like it. So yeah, I'm going to use this for traveling purpose only. Of course, I'm going to carry this everywhere. Now next box. So let's go to the Nykaa second box. Now in second box also I have toner. Now that is also toner. Now let me tell you, my friend had gone to South Korea. I have told her to bring two products and she have already brought it, but for me, I cannot take those big bottles and roam everywhere with me. So I was searching for a travel size bottle in Nykaa. The same particular brand which I am having is a toner, and I finally got it, and it's this. So these are, I will show you. This is Beauty of Joseon. If you know I'm using Beauty of Joseon serum, and I love that serum. As I say, she only had brought it. Now, this was a 50 ml, if I'm not wrong. Yes. Maybe. But a big bottle also looks very cute. And this small bottle of Beauty of Joseon also looks very cute. It's very, very cute. So, yeah. Now next is this from I'm from a rice toner. As I say, this also looks very cute bottle. So where was I? So even this bottle of I'm from rice toner, it's 30 ml. So I think even that is 30 ml. I need to check. That is also very cute, very cute, very cute, cute. So it's a long story because I love products. Oh, forget that. So yeah, this is because I have started using rice toner from when. Then I started using a Mama's rice toner. That also gives me a good. So this is a Chotu bottle. I like this for travel purpose. Now, Nykaa's haul is almost over. Now I will show you the makeup which I have got from Sephora, from Mumbai. So basically I brought 3 things from Sephora. So the 3 things from Sephora, that is Milk Hydro. So this is a Milk Hydro Grip Primer, which is 10 ml, which is very cute. Now also, and dupe if you want, then it's Elf Cosmetic or Mars Cosmetic of this. Then I have purchased one of my favorite singers beauty product. So that is a Rare Beauty blush. Now this is very great. It's blendable, it's breathable, it's very nice, and I like this. But he also newly launched a contour. So here it is in my hand, and she works wonder with this Rare Beauty. Actually, I also have a primer, but the primer is over. So yeah. So actually, I wanted 2 more contour and blush. I think I will attach the picture over here, which one I wanted. So yeah, this is great, and even the contour is great. Now let's go to Tira. Now Tira is one of the makeup brand. Yes, a makeup where we get. So from Tira I have got only one product, that is She Glams blush, and it's very cute color. I'll show you. Okay, I will show you. I don't know if it's, see, it blends very beautiful. It's blendable, just like as I said, and the color is cute. This is the shade in the Love Cake. I think links will be in description box below. So in category wise I will do it. So don't forget to check the link. And it's very cute bottle. Yeah. And by the way, I will let me tell you all, right now on my cheeks I have used She Glam's Love Cake blush. So you can see it, how it the how it gives. Even I think She Glam has contour, but when I have gone on store, they like there is no contour. So maybe online you can check Tira app. You can check the contour. Now let's come into the Bath and Body Works perfumes, a mist which I love the most. So from Bath and Body Works, I have two perfumes. So one is this At the Beach. I don't know if it can. So this my friend had, and when I have gone at her place, I have used it. I liked it. So that time, I guess Nika had, but that time I was in Mumbai. Mumbai. That time I was like, I will purchase this. This is great. And also, now Bath and Body Works also has an offer that if you buy two, one will be free. But I always buy one or two, but this time I have buy two. So this is the second one in the star, which smells very nice. Yeah, it smells very nice. But there's one perfume, not of Bath and Body Works, but it's of something else. I don't know the name. That is like, I don't like that. So yeah, so these two perfumes I like the most. Smells very nice and it stays in a body. It stays. At least it stays for me for 7 to 2 hours. I know, like, for me, I don't need to carry any perfume. But yeah, it's very good. So I will put these links also. So yeah guys, that's it for today's haul video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell on so you can get the new video of it. Till then, bye. See you in the next video. Till then, love you.